Well, hello everybody, welcome back to Backtesting Workout. My name is Alexander Nikitin. I am a professional trader and a programmer as well. Why I do record those backtesting workouts? Well, there are two main reasons, because you guys begging me for that in your emails, in your comments. I have lots of requests. Please do those backtestings, more videos on backtestings. And the second, because I suppose backtesting to be the most important part in trading, preparation for trading. First, it gives you the knowledge about your strategy, gives you the statistical data, gives you the accuracy, the profit factor, the time when the strategy should be trading, your optimal stop loss placement, your optimal take profit placement, and so on and so forth. And next, what is more important, it is gives you a training. When you do your backtesting, you train history trading as if you were trading it real time. So you train, and slowly you acquire the probability thinking. You stop avoiding losers, because you begin to understand that whatever strategy you trade, it contains both losers and winners. Losers are your investments, and winners are returns on investments. So without losers, there are no winners. So without investment, there is no return on investment. So you start thinking as an entrepreneur, as a trader. This slightly changes your mindset, and you stop avoiding those losers. When you stop avoiding the losers, you trade them freely. You trade your strategy absolutely with fun, absolutely relaxed. You are not nervous about a winner or a loser. You are not excited, and that's why you are 100% objective, because rule number one of consistent winners say, I objectively identify my edge. When there is a pattern, there is a pattern. When there is no pattern, there is no pattern. No matter how much you want your money back, when there is no pattern, there is no pattern. Okay, so let us start that. What are those advanced pattern formations? If you guys are new, you can study them on my website. Go to www.pssoftware.net. Here it is. Pause the video to type it in. Homepage. What is there on homepage? This is a psychological article. About me section. This is the history of creation of my software, the history of my success. And here is the tab, learn the patterns. You will learn all the pattern rules, how to identify them. But guys, many of you only look for pattern identification, but they skip this thing. And this is what separates a consistently winning trader from a consistently losing trader. It's not enough to know how to identify the pattern. It's not enough to draw it on the chart. It is what you will do with that information, what you will do with that pattern on your chart, how you will trade it. When the pattern is invalidated, here are the tips. So we also have rules about the CD leg completion of 90%. We also have rule about the target adjustment. We also have rules of money management with advanced pattern trading. So these are things that will turn your trading from negative to positive if you follow them consistently. Consistency is the key. You need to do something again and again and again. Okay, what are those rules? Let's say we have a pattern, something like this. I will draw it on an empty space of the chart. Yes, and after that the C point was completed. We have it running till that violating B point, and then we have it running downside violating C point. So this violates the pattern. Okay, what is the next? Of course, if price goes lower here, it also violates the pattern because of the A point. So the pattern wouldn't be drawn then in this case. Okay, what is next? If price goes close to entry level, and then it hits the target like this. This also invalidates the pattern because the CD leg was 90% completed, and then it goes to the downside. So this also invalidates the pattern. What else? if price goes higher, something like this, and then it does a reversal. So you ought to stretch your fibs not from that initial reversal point that you predicted, but from the factual reversal point. So in this case, your targets would go a bit higher, like this. This is called target adjustment. So you are to stretch your fibs. Your fibs should coincide with swing low to swing high movement, like this. Hope you understand this. And of course, because of that, you see your target becomes less. So you do your targets less on consistent basis. If you trade fixed fractional money management and this distance equals 1% of your account, then when this distance becomes less, it is less than 1%. You will always have a negative risk to reward. But if you trade fixed lot size, then if the pattern is small, this distance will be maybe 20 pips. Yes, so sometimes you have a stop loss of 20 pips. 1 pip costs you, let's say, $1. And if the pattern is large, in this case, you will have maybe 50 pips of winner here. So on average, my experience shows that you will stay on average having 1-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio. Even if you do the target adjustments, your targets become slower, but because you have small patterns, you have medium patterns, you have large patterns, it varies very much, and on average you have it 1-to-1 risk-to-reward ratios. Okay, so these are the tips. But if you do the if you trade fixed fractional money management of a fixed percent, then you will never have that possibility to have on average 1-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio. You will have always negative. Okay, let me delete that stuff. I love that software that I've created. Look how it deletes everything. Boom, and everything is deleted. Well, what should I do next? I should start doing the back testing. The first date of this, what is it? 18 January 2001. So I am going to backtest 16 years in front of your eyes, Euro-Yen 1 hour. Last time I backtested 16 years of Euro-Yen godless patterns, and today I'm going to backtest bad patterns. So you are very welcome to have the full collection of patterns on Euro-Yen. Let us start then. How I do backtesting? Of course, I won't draw them manually. I will use my software Pattern Search Pro. Large patterns, history. Just turn the history mode on and choose the pattern you want to be displayed. False, false, false. You see, only bad formation is true. Let's go. Boom, the pattern appeared. So now we will trade those patterns according to the rules. Every time we win, what is the winner? The winner is the first target hit, because in this case half of your position is closed and the rest of your position is break even. So this is a winner. You may hit the second target, you may not hit the second target. In worst case scenario, you will have 0 of your second position, but you will generate something at least because you close half of your position. In the syndicate program of Trading Power, they just close whole position at the first target, so it is a winner. First target is a winner. I will do the calculation of accuracy, how many winners we have and how many losers we have, and then we will calculate the probability of the strategy to hit a winner. Okay, let's go. Violated B, violated C, invalidated pattern. Okay, triggered the pattern and then went to stop loss. We had a tiny reversal here. Let us stretch the fibs. Swing low to swing high, not from the predicted level, but higher. And we see it didn't touch 382. So this is negative. -1. Let me type it this way. Go next. Violated C point. Obvious winner. Stretching the fibs from swing low to swing high. Sorry. to swing high this way, and we have that 382 hit. This was a winner. Okay, in obvious cases I will not stretch those fibs. Hit the 90%, but we didn't come to hit the target, so this stays active and we hit the stop loss. Do we really hit that? Yes, it shows the entry a bit high. I'm using magnet mode when I stretch my fibs, so this shows me the exact level, the high and low of the candle. Okay, what do we have here? We didn't violate this C point, yes, so this price action is valid. Aha, we may hit 90% and then we hit the target level, so this may be already a train that was missed. 106.901, 106.900. Well, we didn't hit that. Even one pip can turn everything upside down. Very strict. Sorry, can turn everything upside down. Winner. In this case, it is a winner. When you watch those videos, when you watch how I trade them, you also learn that trading them. So you will trade them in real situation the same way. A winner, obviously. No need to stretch something. Okay, a winner. Going next. Violated C? No. A winner. We had a reversal. Going next. What do we have here? Let me zoom it out. Okay, the rule says the C point should not be violated to the upside. We didn't violate that. Then it says that we should hit 90% and go to the target. No, we didn't hit that. Or we should hit the entry and go to the target, and it was exactly what happened. Another winner, and pretty large winner. And that was pretty large winner. The bear pattern didn't complete. Go in next here, zoom it in. Don't panic, guys, nothing happened yet. Okay, 90% nothing. Triggered 107.761 760, so it didn't trigger it here. Didn't trigger. Okay, we had tiny retracement to the downside, but then we came to stop loss. A loser. It was a loser. You have to examine every trade according to price action. A winner. Boom, boom. A loser. I suppose it is a loser. C point was not violated. Entry point was here, and then it came to stop loss. A loser. -1. One more loser. -1. Okay, let's go next. What was it? We are slightly below 90% and then we hit the target, so well, this trade is active. Then we had a reaction here. No, nothing, and then we went to the upside. It is a loser. Third loser in a row. Happens. Invalidated pattern. Invalidated. Invalidated. Okay, look at this. Boom. And we didn't hit the stop loss and went to the upside. This one is a winner. And let me check this one. Okay, okay. It is a loser. -1. Going next. Invalidated, invalidated, invalidated. Well, what do we have here? Do we have 90% triggered? No. So this is invalidated because the C point invalidated then. No trades. Very strict rules. Okay, the C point invalidated. The C point invalidated, but this bear pattern is a valid one. Let us see how it works. Slightly below 90% hit, so stay away from this pattern. Nothing. Then we have a loser, obviously. -1. Okay, invalidated. Invalidated. Okay, a loser? Yes, a loser. -1. One more time. Okay, invalidated. Invalidated. A winner. Going next. Obviously, a winner. No doubts. Have doubts, stay out. Okay, what do we have here? I think we didn't hit the stop loss. Oh no, we hit that. A loser. -1. Invalidated. Invalidated. Okay. Did we hit the entry? Yes, we hit that entry because we spiked lower. A winner. 1. Invalidated. 2004. Okay, a loser. 2004 is the year already. 3 years has passed. We have 13 years left. Yes, it is an obvious winner. We had that reaction to the downside. A winner. Look at this price action. We didn't hit the stop loss and went to targets, so this one is a winner. Going next. This one is obviously a loser. Oh, wait. Before we type it in as loser, let's see. It was triggered as 90%, but it didn't hit the target level. Okay. No, it was a loser. We examined the trade and it was a loser. This one invalidated. Didn't hit the entry, violated C point. Okay, here this situation, we hit 90%, this one, and then we went to hit the target level. Here it is, our initial target level. So stay away from this trade. If you don't stay away from this trade and you are triggered a bit lower, what you have? You have a loser. So we don't have anything here. Well, this went without us, didn't trigger, didn't have any. This was invalidated. This went without us, invalidated. This is nothing, and I suppose it was a loser. We didn't hit 90%, so we shouldn't skip this. Then we go higher and hit the stop. Okay, -1. Going next. Nothing here. Triggered or not triggered? To be or not to be? Yes, we triggered that lower than the entry and we hit the targets. A winner. Okay, 27 trades already. I don't look at this bearish pattern because the C point of that was invalidated to the downside. Invalidated C. So the same here, invalidated C. You see, it is lower. Okay, invalidated C. Invalidated pattern. Violated C. Here it is, violated C. Again, the same thing. Violated pattern. Look at this. Didn't have reaction at 90, but we had reaction a bit lower and we hit the target. So this one is a winner. Obviously a loser. -1. Oh, sorry. 1. Okay, 90% was hit. So this train was missed. It went without us. Invalidated C. Let's examine this trade. This reaction is very small to hit the target, so we have that losing pattern. Zoom it down. Oh. Let's examine this one. We had this reaction first, it didn't hit any targets, and then we had a bit larger reaction here, and we hit the targets here. Okay, this was a winner. Go win next. Let us see if we triggered the trade. 159.672, 159.670, 2 decimals of pip lower. We didn't trigger. We're not executed. Okay, you think it was a loser? No, it was a winner. We hit the entry, didn't hit stop, and then we had this green candle reaction to the upside touching the target. So it was a winner. Invalidated pattern. Okay, this was obviously a loser. 2 green candles without any reactions, neither on 90, neither on the entry level. Invalidated pattern. Okay, invalidated. Hit the reaction, very obviously winner, touching the first target. Nothing here. Okay, triggered or not triggered? Higher. Magnet mode says we are higher than the entry, so didn't trigger. Invalidated. Okay, what we have? We didn't invalidate the C point. Yes, we don't have it. We go 90 first. Well, we didn't hit any targets at 90. Then we go to our entry and hit the targets. A winner. What do we have here? Okay. No, it is a loser, obviously. No doubt. Go in next. Invalidated C point, invalidated pattern, the same, invalidated. Touched 90 and then went without us, invalidated this, so this is a loser. Let's go, type a loser. What is this? Boom, go in here, hit 90 or not? Yes, we hit 90%. And then we went to the stop loss, so stay away from this bearish, and violated bullish. What was here? Let me zoom it in and look for these spikes. Lower than the stop loss, so it was a loser. -1. Didn't trigger. Invalidated. Didn't trigger, obviously. Didn't trigger. We first had the 90% and then we stay away. It was a winner in the end, but we stood away. Didn't trigger here. Invalidated pattern. Didn't trigger here. so stay away from this one as well. Okay, hit 90, but we didn't hit the initial target. This means we were executed, and this was a winner. Going next, executed here, sorry, not executed, hit 90, but then went to the upside to hit the target, but we failed to hit the target, so we were executed, and then we hit the entry. Oh, sorry, the take profit, hit the take profit. Okay, the same here, take profit is hit. Going next, nothing. Invalidated pattern. Invalidated pattern. Invalidated pattern. Invalidated pattern. Invalidated. A loser. Let me zoom it in. We had these spikes. Didn't hit any targets. It was a loser. Going next. Obviously spiked through the entry and went to the target. Obvious winner. Going next. Invalidated. 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 A loser? Yes. From here, here, and lower, 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 without any reaction. A loser, -1. Going next, 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 next. Invalidated. Going next. A winner. From here, we didn't hit the stop loss, went to the upside, it was a winner. So we have to type 1. Going next, invalidated, nothing. Okay, zoom it in. A bullish bad pattern. Let me first examine it. Didn't hit the stop loss, and then we hit the target. It was a winner. Let me type winner first. Let's go here. Invalidated C point, so we stood away from this. Didn't have any invalidation here, so we spiked through the entry and went to the targets. It was a winner. Okay, let us measure this one. A little bit higher than the target level, so then we went a bit more high. 128.753, 128.749, so we are a bit lower, but we still didn't hit any target level, so it was a loser. -1. Okay. Didn't hit 90, so we hit the entry here, and then we went to target level, so it was a winner. Going next, obvious loser. -1. Okay, invalidated C? No, the C point was not invalidated. Oh, we executed better than the actual price. 37 pips lower because of gap, executed better, and then we went to targets. Even more targets than you initially desired. Even more. Invalidated pattern, nothing. Invalidated pattern, invalidated pattern. Obvious bullish loser. Without any reaction, without stop. Nailed me. Like a nail. Okay, hit the stop loss. Another loser. Going next, invalidated C point. Yes. What is this? This was a winner. Nothing. What is this? This was a winner. You see, hitting the 382. One more winner. 55 trades already. 2014. We have 3 years left. Nothing here. Too many invalidated patterns. So many patterns that didn't complete. Okay, let me show it to you. We hit 90% and then we came to the target level. We retraced back, so we stay away from this pattern. The reaction was done already, so we had that spike down. Nothing here. A winner, obviously. Boom, to the upside. Going next, invalidated, sorry, C point was not invalidated. Once again executed lower, and then we had the reaction, closing the gap, hitting our targets. A winner. Going next, invalidated. Let me zoom it in. We went to the upside, didn't hit the targets first, then we went here and we didn't hit the targets either, so it was a loser. -1. Going next, a winner. Going next, a winner. Okay, it is obvious winner for me, but I will stretch the fibs to show you that it hits 382. You see that? It even hits 382 from here. This one. So this is a winner. Going next, a winner. A loser, no reaction, -1. Nothing here. Invalidated pattern, invalidated as well. Invalidated as well. Here you see the C point. Okay, some consolidation, dropped lower, and then we went to the upside. A winner. Invalidated, a winner. Boom, goes to the downside. What is it? It is nothing as well. Invalidated C, yes. So that's it. The backtesting is done. Let's calculate the accuracy. To calculate the accuracy, what will I do? I will first insert a new line. Okay, so we start from the second. Let's calculate how many do we have. Total trades is 65. Yes, 66, -1. 65 trades of large patterns. So I am to type total 65. Yes. Now I am to find how many winners we have. So I go here, I go to filter, and then I choose show me only positive. Yes. So I will calculate positives. We have 40 winners. 40 winners. Show everything. Winners равно equals 40. Okay, now let's calculate losers. Losers, it equals total minus winners. Yes, so we have 25 losers. Okay, and let's calculate the accuracy. Accuracy, the probability of hitting the first target, very important moment. So what is the probability? You need to divide winners by total amount. So we have this, let's divide them, and the accuracy is 61% of a bet pattern to hit. Let me show you percentage. 61.54. So this is the accuracy for large bet patterns. Large bet patterns, you see them pretty large. On Eurjpy, the accuracy for large bet patterns. What you can do next, you can change them to medium and do more backtesting, calculating the medium. You see, you have medium patterns. Where are they? Show me something. Hey, come on. Oh, sorry for that. Medium should turn on the history mode. Okay, medium bet patterns. You see, we have much more. Let's calculate how many patterns we have total, large and medium. I will draw this pattern to calculate that. We have 215, some of them are invalidated, maybe we have 150, 180 total patterns. What else can you do? You can do the backtesting of small patterns. History mode is on, then you disable guard list, disable this, disable that, and you will have even more patterns. So now we will calculate how many patterns we have total. We will then detract that. My manual pattern search has the calculating algorithm, so I am to draw some pattern. 600 pattern totals. So some of them are invalidated. Let's say 30% is invalidated, so you will have 500 patterns on your chart. Large, medium and small. So I do the backtesting of all of them. I did already large and small and medium. What I do now, I am building the best portfolio. I'm looking for some best patterns to show me the wonderful accuracy. I will reveal you a secret. On OZN I found large ciphers having 86 probability of success to hit the level. So, and that's all because the Pattern Search Pro. And so what you do with that information, you just pick up those pairs that have the best accuracy and build up winning portfolio. You don't need to do those monotonous works of research, spending tens of years. Because of progress, we have those programs that do it very, very fast, extremely fast. So type it down somewhere. 61.54% accuracy on large bet patterns on Eurjpy, 1 hour. Large bet patterns. Remember that they should be large, not every bet pattern, but large bet patterns. 61.54. Well, that's it about the backtesting. Hope you like this video. If you want more backtesting workouts, please give me an email or type something in comments. What else? If you wish to have the same software, welcome to my website, www.pssoftware.net. Here it is. You can order it from my website, www.pssoftware.net. Well, what else? Yeah, of course you need this software. I don't think you will identify the patterns exactly the same way drawing them manually. Of Of course, you will be deviating from that. You are not as robotic as the software. The software uses its own swing identification algorithm. It is doing it its way. So I don't think you will draw that the same way as the software does. Well, but no matter what, you still have the accuracy. You still have the food for your mind to think of. If you guys like this video, please give me your thumbs up, share this video on social media, let my channel grow, let me finally hit that 1K subscribers. If you want, follow me on TradingView. You can find me, one of top traders. I usually sit there. You can also join my Facebook group, www.ps Facebook. What is that Facebook group name? Facebook groups, the TGP Trading Group Program is my name. So I post some videos, post some trades from TradingView that I don't post anywhere else, so you will have the benefit. The research works that I did about 2 years ago, so you can find lots of useful information on that in that group. Until then, good luck, good trading, hope to see you soon.